In this video, we're going to work on a GCF LCM word problem. So if we have a problem like this that says a florist has 7 roses and 21 lilies, the florist would like to create bouquets that are identical with the flowers she has without any leftovers. What is the greatest number of bouquets that can be made? So the clue is greatest. So we know we're working with greatest common factor, okay? So the greatest common factor is the largest number that is a factor of each of 2 or more numbers. We're working with 2 numbers here. Okay, so let's do the prime factors for 7. So 7 times 1 are the factors that are for 7. So 7 can be multiplied by itself and 1, right? And the prime factors for 21 are 7 and 3. Those numbers can't be broken down any further, okay? So find the common factor shared by both of the numbers. The common factor is this one. And that's the greatest number. 7 is the only common factor for 7 and 21. So the greatest possible number of bouquets can be 7. So 7 roses would be used to make 7 bouquets with 1 rose each, right? So there's 7 roses, so you would have a rose in each bouquet. And then we have 21 lilies, and because we have 7 bouquets, we can put in 3 lilies each into each of the bouquets. And that's the greatest number of bouquets that can be made. So the greatest number of bouquets the florist can make is 7. And that's the end of that lesson. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. I have links there to other videos that are similar. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link that'll take you right to this video and you can follow along as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.